Want to build a powerful and chiseled chest? The journey starts with a proper warm-up. Warming up is not just a prelude, it's an integral part of your workout. It gets your heart rate up, your blood flowing, and your muscles primed for action. Start with dynamic exercises like arm circles, shoulder rolls, and chest stretches. These movements wake up your upper body, preparing it for the challenge ahead. With your muscles warmed up and ready to go, it's time to dive into the heart of the workout. Now it's time to engage multiple muscle groups with compound movements. These are your big hitters, working not just your chest but also your shoulders and triceps. First up, we have the barbell bench press. This classic exercise is all about controlled movements. Picture this, you're lying on a bench, the barbell securely gripped in your hands. Now you're lowering that bar to your chest, then pushing it back up with power. It's not just about lifting heavy, it's about lifting right. Next, we move on to dumbbell flies. Here, it's all about the stretch and contraction of the chest muscles. Imagine your arms wide open, dumbbells in hand, and you're bringing them together in a controlled motion. Remember, variation is key. Mix it up with incline and decline flies to target different areas of your chest. Compound movements are your big hitters, but isolation exercises are just as essential. Let's dive into those next. After those compound movements, let's isolate and target specific areas of the chest. First up, we have chest dips. This is a fantastic exercise that zeroes in on your chest muscles. When performing this movement, think about engaging your chest as you lower your body between the parallel bars. For those of you who are more advanced, consider adding some extra weight to the mix. Next, we have the cable crossover. This exercise is all about maintaining tension on the chest throughout the movement. By adjusting the cable height, you can target the upper, middle, and lower sections of your chest. Think of it as painting a masterpiece. Every stroke matters, and each one contributes to the overall picture. Isolation exercises give you that extra edge, but don't forget the power of bodyweight exercises. They're up next, so stay tuned. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups are versatile and effective for chest development. Let's dive into two key variations, the standard push-up and the diamond push-up. Starting with the classic standard push-up. This is a staple in any chest routine. The key is to maintain a straight body from your head to your heels. As you lower yourself, focus on engaging your chest muscles, not just your arms. Hand placement is important here. The wider your hands, the more you'll work your chest. Now let's move on to the diamond push-up. This variation really targets the inner chest. Form a diamond shape with your hands directly under your chest. Keep those elbows close to the body as you lower down and push back up. This one's a real challenge, but worth it for that inner chest definition. Push-ups provide a solid foundation, but remember, training is just one piece of the puzzle. Training hard is important, but so is eating right and getting enough rest. When it comes to nutrition, protein is the superstar. It's the building block your body uses to repair and grow muscle tissues. Consider including good protein sources in your diet, such as lean meats and eggs. For our plant-based warriors, options like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu are fantastic. But nutrition isn't just about protein. Your body also needs a balanced intake of carbs for energy, fats for hormonal balance, and a rainbow of fruits and veggies for vital micronutrients. Remember, a well-rounded diet fuels not just your workouts, but your recovery and growth too. Now let's talk about rest. Your muscles don't grow during the workout itself, but in the recovery period afterward. When you train, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. It's during rest that your body repairs these tears, making your muscles stronger and bigger over time. And let's not forget sleep. Quality sleep is when the magic happens. It's when most of your body's repair and growth processes kick into high gear. So ensure you're clocking in those crucial 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. With proper training, nutrition, and recovery, your dream chest is just a workout away. Until next time, keep pushing, keep growing.